Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I package cookies when I'm going to be shipping them. A lot of people are worried about shipping cookies because they might break in transport, and even the best packaged box, you might still have some break. But there are definitely some tips and tricks you can use to increase your chances of a successful ship.
After my cookies are fully dried, I always heat seal them. This ensures that the cookies will arrive fresh. I use the Linson Field heat sealer that I bought off of Amazon. I like to use Clearbag's Food Safe heat seal bags. I've tried several brands off of Amazon, but they did not keep my cookies fresh for very long. The Clearbags keep my cookies soft for weeks. I pre-cut some bubble wrap, and now I will wrap each individual cookie in its own strip. Now that each cookie is individually wrapped in bubble wrap, place them inside the box. I like to use the post office's flat rate priority mail boxes. You can pick them up from the post office or order them online for free. If there is any extra room inside the box, be sure to fill it with either packing paper or extra bubble wrap. This is the most important step. You want the box filled just enough that if you give it a shake, you can't hear or feel any movement. But be careful, if you pack it too tightly, you might put pressure on the cookies in a way that could damage the decoration or even break them. Once it passes the shake test, it is all ready to go.